All of us, sooner or later, are going to need a great nurse.
Nurses are the first line in the hospitals. We are the ones who are with the patients the majority of the time that they're hospitalized.
They're going to be with people at some of the most happy times, some of the most difficult and challenging times.
A nurse who has been well trained, a nurse who is compassionate, and that's what our Nicole Wertheim College of Nursing and Health Sciences produces.
The mission of the Nicole Wertheim College of Nursing and Health Sciences is to develop healthcare leaders, providers, and researchers.
You have here at FIU a very broad and deep capability of both breadth and depth in terms of health and medicine, and that is intentional. Our nursing college is one of the oldest colleges in the university.
We train healthcare professionals in nursing, athletic training, health services administration, occupational therapy, speech and language pathology, as well as physical therapy.
There's no hospital or clinic in Miami where you don't find an FIU nursing college graduate. So right there is a huge impact.
The Wertheim gift has truly been transformational. That gift gave the college a level of recognition and commitment from the faculty that I hadn't seen before we got that gift.
We're indebted to the Wertheim family for their vision and their passion and their commitment to FIU. Given their concern for health, given their leadership in innovation, health innovation, it's logical that they would have invested in our College of Nursing.
That gift helped to validate what the faculty was doing, and they became much more engaged.
But most of all, it's about enabling us to provide scholarships for meritorious young nurses, and it's about bringing in even better faculty than we already have to ensure the highest possible level of education, training, and research.
We have one of the largest nursing programs in the Southeast, but our uniqueness is we prepare the largest number of minority healthcare providers of any College of Nursing and Health Sciences in the nation.
One of the unique things about the students that come to the undergraduate nursing program here at FIU is that for many of them, they are the first person in college in their family. So they're very excited, they're very motivated, they want to be very successful in nursing and bring great things to the university and to their families.
Not only do we prepare this diverse group of healthcare providers, but we particularly focus on educating them to be what we call culturally competent.
Our job as faculty is to really impart a variety of characteristics into the students who will graduate from these tracks. And it includes, but is not limited to, leadership, to cultural competence, to being very knowledgeable and have expertise in veteran-centric care, to being interprofessional in their practice.
One of the things that I really like about the Wertheim's vision of healthcare is their perspective that we do better healthcare if the disciplines and professions don't work in silos.
The curriculum here at FIU is very interdisciplinary, so it's not just physical therapy and that's all. They include other professions as well, because in the medical field, there are other professions that you work with.
Our college very much values community engagement. We rely heavily on our healthcare facility partners specifically because our students rotate through nearly all of the healthcare facilities in South Florida.
And so the Wertheims are all about partnerships. They're all about interaction and infusion of each other with ideas, excitement, and innovative ways of pursuing old problems. Well, you know, with the help of the Wertheim gift, we've been able to bring together outstanding students because they've set up 2 endowments for doctoral level students. That communicates where their emphasis is.
It was a real honor receiving the Wertheim Scholarship. It helped me tremendously in achieving my doctorate in physical therapy. I've been able to focus more on my academics and less on financial stressors of life. I also got to meet Dr. Wertheim, which was an absolute pleasure.
And our students who get those Wertheim scholarships are very proud to be called Wertheim Scholars. Our faculty who get those endowed chairs are very, very proud of endowed chairs. And when you generate the science that's the basis of care, you impact care around the world, around the country.
The endowed chair provides some funds to support faculty research, in particular my research. My research has been focused on families with critically ill children in the pediatric or neonatal intensive care unit. When the Wertheims gave the gift and established the chair, and then the dean appointed me into that chair, I was ecstatic. An endowed chair indicates that the faculty member has built a very strong trajectory in research and in publication and scholarship. So receiving that is both an internal and an external validation of what I've been doing for the past 25 years.
The world is coming to know and understand what the Nicole Wertheim College of Nursing and Health Sciences is all about. And the Wertheim gift has been very important in helping us to move this college forward to impact the world.